Did you know that fires cause billions of dollars in damage and thousands of injuries every single year? Imagine waking up to the smell of smoke or seeing flames creeping across your walls. What would you do in that moment? Would you know how to react? Or better yet, how to stop the fire before it spreads? Today we're diving into a topic that could quite literally save lives: the classification of fire and the different types of fire extinguishers. This isn't just knowledge for firefighters, it's for everyone: homeowners, business owners, students, and anyone who wants to be prepared. Because when a fire starts, knowing what type of fire it is and which extinguisher to use can be the difference between a small scare and a full-blown disaster. So let's get started. Classification of fire. Fires aren't all the same. They're classified into 5 main types: Class A, B, C, D, and K. Each class represents a different kind of fuel source, which means each fire behaves differently and needs to be fought differently. First up, we have Class A fires. These involve everyday combustible materials like wood, paper, cloth, and plastics. Picture a pile of dry leaves or a stack of cardboard boxes catching fire. That's Class A. These fires burn easily and leave ash behind. Next, Class B fires involve flammable liquids like gasoline, oil, grease, or even alcohol. Imagine you're in the kitchen and a pan full of hot oil catches fire. That's a Class B fire. Water won't work here. It'll only make things worse by spreading the flames. Class C fires are electrical fires. Faulty wiring, overloaded outlets, or malfunctioning appliances are the usual suspects. These fires are especially dangerous because water conducts electricity. Trying to put one out with water could cause a deadly electric shock. Class D fires involve combustible metals like magnesium, sodium, or aluminum shavings. These fires are rare but incredibly dangerous, especially in industrial environments. They burn at extremely high temperatures and can't be put out with ordinary extinguishers. Finally, Class K fires are cooking fires. Think deep fryers and fats igniting. These fires burn hotter and stickier than Class B fires because cooking oils stay hot longer, making them difficult to extinguish. Types of fire extinguishers. Now that we know what types of fires exist, let's dive into the different types of fire extinguishers. Each type is designed to tackle specific fires. Using the wrong one can make the fire worse or put you in serious danger. Water extinguishers are the most common. They're perfect for Class A fires. They work by cooling the flames and lowering the temperature of burning materials. But remember, never use water on Class B or C fires. For flammable liquids or electrical fires, water can spread the flames or cause electric shock. Foam extinguishers are effective on Class A and Class B fires. The foam creates a smothering blanket, cutting off oxygen and preventing reignition. It's great for fires involving solid materials and flammable liquids, but not for electrical or metal fires. Dry powder extinguishers, also known as ABC extinguishers, are versatile. They work on Class A, B, and C fires. The powder interrupts the fire's chemical reaction, putting it out quickly. However, the powder can create a mess and damage electrical equipment, so it's not ideal for offices or kitchens. Carbon dioxide, CO2, extinguishers are great for Class B and C fires, flammable liquids, and electrical fires. CO2 displaces oxygen, suffocating the fire. It also cools down hot surfaces without leaving any residue, making it perfect for server rooms, offices, or anywhere with sensitive electronics. Wet chemical extinguishers are specifically designed for Class K fires, cooking oils, and fats. They cool the flames while creating a chemical barrier on the surface of the oil, preventing reignition. These are essential for commercial kitchens or even home kitchens if you frequently cook with oil. How to use a fire extinguisher. Having the right extinguisher is one thing, knowing how to use it is another. That's where the P.A.S.S technique comes in. P. Pull the pin. This breaks the seal and gets the extinguisher ready. A. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire, not the flames. Hitting the base is key to stopping the fire from spreading. S. Squeeze the handle to release the extinguishing agent. S. Sweep the nozzle from side to side, covering the entire area until the fire is out. Stay a safe distance away, and if the fire becomes too large or spreads too quickly, evacuate immediately and call emergency services. Your safety comes first. Fire safety tips. Prevention is always better than fighting a fire. Here are some essential fire safety tips. Install smoke detectors in key areas of your home or business. Test them monthly and change the batteries at least once a year. Keep flammable materials, like curtains, paper, and chemicals, away from heat sources. Never leave cooking unattended, especially when using oil. Have an escape plan. Practice it regularly with your family or team so everyone knows how to get out safely. Make sure you have the right type of fire extinguisher for your environment, and ensure everyone knows where it's located and how to use it. If you own a business, ensure your employees are trained in fire safety and extinguisher use. Fire doesn't wait, and neither should you. Understanding the types of fires and how to fight them is a vital skill that could save lives and protect property. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with your friends, family, or co-workers. Let's spread awareness and keep everyone safe. For more in-depth fire safety knowledge, workplace safety tips, and HSE, health, safety, and environment resources, visit hsestudy.in. The link's in the description below. Stay informed, stay prepared, and most importantly, stay safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.